So I received a package, and the package was sent to me by a company called Toyokalon. Within this package, I received 4 packs of hair. The brand of the hair is RastAfri, and the type of hair is the Goddess Curl Braid S4. I received 3 packs in 1B and 1 pack in burgundy. This hair is 54 inches, and it also comes with a corkscrew curl on the tip. And to my surprise, I also received a nice 80 jacket with the Toyokalon logo on it. And last, I received a smaller package with a few products from RastAfri. I received a serum, a braid sheen, and also a creamy rejuvenator. Couldn't wait to try them. Okay, so let's talk a little bit more about this hair. I forgot to add that this hair is already pre-stretched. It claims to be free of tangling, free of snapping, free of burning smoke, free of finger burning, and also free of hair loss, which is everything I look for when I'm looking for great braiding hair. So let's try this out. Alright, so before I get into this tutorial, I just have to point out the thickness and the fullness of this hair. I love it. Just when you think you need a certain amount of hair, you don't need as much because it's already full and thick. Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm going to give 2 different techniques on how to install box braids. The first technique is going to be the regular way, and that's basically just attaching the weave to your own hair and to begin braiding. This part is not going to be in depth. I'm just going to slow it down and show you exactly what I'm doing. I'm basically just braiding the weave onto her natural hair. While I'm braiding the hair down in the beginning, I'm just making sure that I pull hair from each sides of the weave into her natural hair to make it all the same thickness. The more that all 3 strands have the same thickness, the neater the braid. And if you notice, as I'm braiding down, I'm making sure that the red hair is on top of her natural hair so that the red hair shows more than her natural hair does. And I'm just going to braid all the way down. If you pay attention to the row below me, you will see that the red hair is falling in between the black hair. When parting the hair, make sure that you part in between the braids below the hair that you are parting. That way it gives like a brick effect. Now for the second technique, this technique I will say is more like for beginners. This is for the people who have a hard time with gripping hair and it's hard to hide that natural hair, it's hard to grip it. You would plait the hair up and then you would wrap the red hair around and continue braiding just like you did with the first technique. Only difference is it's going to be easier to grip. Again, make sure that you keep the red hair on top and tuck the natural hair on the bottom so that more of the red hair shows. And you would just continue braiding down all the way to the end. If you would like to see a more in-depth tutorial on how I install neat box braids, I will put a video down below so that you can check that out. Now, a lot of my tutorials are outdated, so I do plan on doing more up-to-date tutorials step by step in the future. So make sure that you hit that thumbs up button so that I'll know that you're watching me. And also, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell on the side so that you will be in tune with every new video that I post. I really want to keep making these videos for you guys, but I have to know that you guys are watching. Okay, so the last step to the installment, I'm going to be doing feed-in braids. I'm going to measure how much hair that I want, the thickness of it. And then I'm going to separate that hair into 4 sections. I also add 2 extra strands off to the side just in case I need to make it a little thick. So far for the front braids, I've been using a total of 4 strands. But as the braids get shorter toward the back, where I am right now, I'm only using 3 strands. I'm going to take the smallest strand and I'm going to split it in half and then loop it around itself to give it 4 ends. I'm going to combine 2 of the ends together to create 1, leaving me with a total of 3 strands of hair. I'm going to use that hair and start off braiding my cornrow. I'm going to braid down maybe 4 to 5 times. And then I'm going to take another portion of hair and I'm going to add it in between my index finger and my thumb. I'm going to braid down 2 times before adding in another portion of hair. And I'm just going to continue doing this all the way down until my strands are gone. I left it at regular speed just so that you can take the time to look at it. I don't know if many of you guys are like me, but I am a visual learner. I go by instruction as well, but for me, vision is everything. I can learn just by watching with no words spoken. So I guess, I don't know, maybe my videos lean more towards people like me. Let me know if this video was helpful for you. As far as this hair, I love it. Again, I love the fullness of it. I love how the curls pop on the end. I will definitely be using this hair on my clients. Again, thank you to Toyokalon for sending me this hair. If you've been watching me for years, you guys know that I love Toyokalon fibers. For some reason, it is just so easy to work with, especially with braiding. I will be leaving all of their social media links and information down below if you would like to check them out. Thank you so much for watching, and you guys be blessed.